I
mean, it's still better than nothing. We're getting
Oh,
flashes.
yeah.
We're getting good flashes.
Yes.
So I'm not completely, busted out or anything.
No.
Wow.
Oh, wow, that flashed over here. Well, no, because if you think about it, too, when we looked at the last radar, you could tell that this is still kind of, and plus you can, like we were saying, the updraft flashes are getting taller, meaning that these are probably getting going this way, because if they were moving straight east, it would still be at the same distance.
Yeah, these storms are moving erratic.
And see, look at the direction this cloud's.
Ooh.
I know. Look at the direction this cloud's pointing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so it's turning into a new situation here, buddy.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to watch this.
Big time. Yeah, and here too.
This is turning into a situation possible.
Oh my God, I'm getting some amazing lightning flashes.
That fucking base is defined. Someone
Yeah.
decides to go right here.
Yeah.
Oh, still going for it now east.
Yep.
Yeah, I think we're starting to get up on the base here now. I just saw another lower level flash.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. God damn. Ooh.
Fuck.
Okay, stop losing focus.
Here we go.
All right, I'm pretty much where I want it now.
Jeez.
Oh, dude, yeah, that area. Oh, God. In fact, you know what? Just so I can have something to already put on YouTube, I think I'm going to go ahead and get a little video of this phone too. Oh, look at that. Got that. Man. Oh. Oh yeah, you can see the base lighting up back there.
Yeah, buddy. Keeping an eye on this stuff right here. I'm starting to get towers blowing up over here.
Yeah.
And it's starting to get really, really nice and flat base.
Mm.
See what we got over here.
Yeah, good idea.
This is starting to look really interesting right here.
Ooh, I think I saw a strike back there. Oh, this is breathtaking.
Yeah, dude, this is a great night.
It is. Could potentially turn interesting for the valley. Come on.
Well, we got another severe thunderstorm warning just popped up.
Oh, we
got
do.
3 altogether now.
Really? These are all currently in effect?
Yep.
Oh, shoot.
Severe thunderstorm warning stretching from Shoshone all the way up to Pahrump, over towards Charleston Peak. Second severe thunderstorm warning includes Cold Creek, Indian Springs, and Corn Creek.
Oh.
And the third one is still out east, over the lakes, over the Lake Mead area. So we're surrounded right now by severe thunderstorm warnings.
Wow. What a night, huh?
Yeah. Man, it looks looks like we've got some jump going up right here too. That fucking tower is trying to go up and it's becoming hidden.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to watch that. I don't know what else we've got going on back there.
There's a lot of suspect stuff, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you know what?
Huh. Oh, it's going nuts.
We've got a storm. We've got that in the northwest. That storm is finally starting to push into town.
Oh, it is?
Yep. The very far northwest edge of 215 is getting rain.
Oh, nice.
And the communities surrounding it. Yep, there it is. See?
Oh, shit. So it is, okay, can you loop that? That'll definitely tell us for sure if we're going to be in. Is it, I mean, does it look like it's riding in? Or?
I don't know. We'll find out here as soon as this radar decides it wants to go. Push play, but there we go.
Okay, let's see what it's doing.
Yep. It's moving in.
It's dropping down. So,
That's thunder.
yeah. Yeah, because there were no fireworks. Oh, yeah, I see that. That tower is being hidden. Holy shit. Dude, look at that.
Yeah, that's thunder.
Dude, look, wow, look at the banding.
Ooh,
What? Big flash?
huge flash. And the base looked like a hidden bolt.
Dude, yeah, look at it's getting nice and crisp right there.
And tall.
Yeah. Carl, I think you're right. I think that is thunder we're hearing. Because I don't know what else it could be. There's no planes anymore.
And there's no helicopters set down.
I think you're right. I think it is thunder.
If it was fireworks, we'd see the colors and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. It's getting closer. It's starting to get a lot of base flashes.
Yep.
Yep. It's definitely getting closer. Now, gotta watch this area over here now.
Yep.
There's definitely a tower going up now. I'm wondering if that is a shaft I'm starting to see forming there.
Right. Oh yeah, look at that. That tower is very crisp.
And it's becoming hidden. Oh, yep. There's the base.
You saw it?
Yep. It's coming. It's not far away. I can see the underbelly in it.
Yeah.
The underbelly of the cloud looks mean.
Oh man. So we have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings at this time.
Surrounding the valley.
That's crazy. Dude, look at the banding in those clouds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that cloud's really get ballooned. It's ballooning pretty good. Look at that. Dude, I think that's going to be our next thunderstorm right there.
I'm starting to see lightning. We're starting to see the base out there towards north too.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, because those storms are already
In town.
yeah.
Pretty much in town.
Yeah. Oh, dude, I hope.
Yep.
What?
There's the base. I just saw a bolt.
Saw a strike
Yep.
come down? Oh, shit.
Yep.
Yeah, that cloud still looks good.
There it does. Got enough juice going there?
Oh, on my cam?
Yeah.
89 minutes. Dude, those, God, look at those clouds. Damn. You know what? I'm not really seeing the updraft is being hidden now, so I
Yeah.
can't. I'm not. So I better stop.